Hello, boys and girls. Today, in this video, we are going to be counting the numbers 1 through 50, specifically looking at counting them both forwards and backwards. So, first we're going to look at a number chart where we're looking at the numbers forwards. We're counting numbers forwards from 1 to 50. So when we count here, we'll start at 1 and then go to 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. That's counting forwards because each number is coming after another number. 2 comes after 1. That goes all the way through to 50. So 10 goes to 11, all the way to 12, and then so on to 20. And it's just a repeating pattern, and we're counting forwards, and each number is coming after another number. But then in this one, it gets a little trickier because now instead of counting forwards from 1 to 50, we're counting backwards from 50 all the way to 1. So the trick with counting backwards is you have to think about the number that would come before that number. So when I look at the number 2, I can think to myself, what number comes before 2? And I know that 1 comes before 2. Same thing up here with 36. What number comes before 36? It's 35. And then with 50, what number comes before 50? 49. So if I were to be counting forwards, I go 49, 50. But since I'm counting backwards, I'm counting 50, 49. Let's practice. First, let's count forwards. So as you can see, there's some missing numbers in here. And as we're counting, I want you to think in your head what comes after that number. So what number comes after 5? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number comes after 5? 6, 7. What number comes after 7? 8, 9, 10. Now let's go down. What comes after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What number comes after 16? 17, 18, 19, 20. Then after 20 is 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Then we have 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and our last number that comes after 39 is 40. Now let's try counting backwards. So we're starting at 50. We know that the number that comes before 50, if we're counting forwards, is 49. And we're going to do the same thing. You're going to think about what number comes next. So we have 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. Now, what number comes before 41? 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. Now we're at 30. What number comes before 30? 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. So we just counted backwards from 50 all the way to 21. Good job. Now, for this one, I want you to try to do it on your own. So, maybe pause this video, write it down if you can. If not, just think about it in your head. And I want you to count forwards. So starting at 1, go all the way to 50, and then you can practice from 51 to 60. So pause the video, and then when you unpause, the answers will be there. So here are answers. You can check your answers, think about them in your head, make sure you got them right for counting forwards. Now, I want you to answer these questions with me. I provided a number chart to help us. What number is between 13 and 15? So I'm going to look up at my numbers chart and find 13 and then 15. I'm going to circle them. Now, what number is between 13 and 15? Yes, 14. So I'm going to circle it and write my answer below. Now, next question. What number is before 27? First, we're going to find 27 on our chart. Found it. 27, going to circle it. Now, before, are we counting forwards or backwards when we say before? We're counting backwards, yes. So what number is counted backwards when you start at 27? 26, yes. I'm going to write 26. In our last question, what number is after 39? So I'm going to look in my chart for the number 39. Found it. Circled it. And now after, are we counting backwards or forwards? After is forwards. So what comes after 39? 40. Great job. So I'm going to write that. You guys did a great job, and now hopefully you know how to count backwards and forwards from 1 through 50.